Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make $100 on YouTube without even showing your face. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make $100 on YouTube without even showing your face. And by the way, you can make less than that, but you can absolutely make way more than that. It really depends on your work ethic. It depends on what you're willing to put into it, but you can absolutely do that. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to review products, because reviewing products is something that people are actually searching for. So if you're reviewing something like a glass, because I have a glass, you see, cheers. Or if you're reviewing, you know, some like a coffee machine, some tech, you know, a camera, it doesn't really matter, but all these products that you have probably have an affiliate link to it. Now an affiliate link, if you're completely new to it, means that when people buy something from your specific link, you get a commission from it. So what you're going to do is you're going to review product, because the second thing is that people that are actually looking for reviews are looking to buy in the first place. They really want to know like if it's good enough, and that's probably the last step before they actually purchase something. So if you can make them go through your link, then that is awesome, because now you don't even have to show your face. All you have to do is show your hands or the product, and maybe not even your hands. It really depends on what product that you're using. Most of the time you will have to use your hands. But most of the time you don't have to show your face, because all you have to show is the coffee machine, the glass, the computer, the camera. It doesn't matter whatever you're reviewing. Maybe you're reviewing the lights that I have right behind me. I hope you really enjoy the lighting, by the way. But that is what you're going to do, because people are really interested in reviews, because they are about to buy whatever it is. So doing that is what is going to help you make some money for 100% free. When you really first start, you don't want to show your face, and you can absolutely make some money. I've seen people make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that. So it's absolutely possible. Now, don't think that the very first video that you're going to put out is going to be magic and you're going to make $100,000 or $1 million. It does not work like that. You are going to have to build your audience. You are going to have to like make several videos. It's not going to be an overnight success, and you just have to have that in your mind, because if you're looking for that, I'm sorry to bring it to you, but it doesn't exist. So once you've started doing that, you can absolutely make some money this way, but I highly suggest that you create a sales funnel. That means you're going to have a landing page, you're going to have all sorts of different things, and if you want to know the cheapest way to do it, I have a link in the description where you can actually do that, and it's very cheap. So then clicking the link, like if you really want to know, you can absolutely go through it and you don't have to buy it, but this is the best way to do it, the cheapest, and this is the one I use. But like creating a sales funnel is going to be very good, because you're going to be able to retarget and send people emails every time you put a new video that has something that will interest them. So creating that is going to be like the jackpot, basically. If you're making a bit of money when you're like reviewing products and you start doing that, you'll start to make a lot more money. So creating a sales funnel, I'm not going to go into the whole details. I've made the video like earlier today, so probably yesterday's video. So if you want to check that out, I go way more into detail, so you can absolutely check that out. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.